since 7 and I started cooking. As you can see, I got my pot there going. So I've been up very early and started cooking dinner. Yeah, because today we are actually going out to go do some stuff as a family. So I wanted to start cooking early and get things done. So, and then I figured the earlier I cook, the more I have time to get what I need to get done. So I came down. I have my chicken there soaking. So I got my chicken there and I already cut up my stuff. Rice is washed and everything. I took out some chicken, but I took out the wrong package. So now I have to unthaw another package, and it is actually 8:26. So, and I've been down here since 7:30. I've been down here since 7:30. So, that is finished. I'm just going to cover that. So, yeah, that is what everybody in the house is still sleeping. I'm the only one that's awake. Go out and get out of the house. We need to spend some time as a family. Everybody's still sleeping, so I'm just gonna go upstairs because the peas is finished cook and wait for the chicken to thaw. I'll probably start cooking maybe 10:30 so I could finish cook by 11:12. And that's it. I got up and started doing a little bit of getting myself together, but yeah, I'm just gonna go. I have a video that I need to edit, and yeah, I'll wait till everybody else wake up. So I'll get back to you guys. I too long got up. I actually fell back asleep and I just woke up, but I also wanted to come and say something. I just released a vlog not too long ago and I seen somebody made a comment, right? They said something. And this is not the first time. At the end of the day, I don't hold anybody's hand. I don't hold a bullet or a gun to anybody. If you do not want to watch my videos, click off the bloody videos. Continue to live good and put God first in everything you do. You will definitely have a blessed life too. Yes. So I'm just going to get myself together. And yeah, I think tomorrow or the next day my lens should be here. I'm not sure if we're still going out because everybody's still sleeping. We went to bed late last night. So that is what we are doing right now. But yeah, I'll tune back in. I gotta go get myself together and I'll be back. So I am all showered and, well, dressed up. Actually, these are one of our pieces that we have in our store. Yes. I know I'm wearing it in the house. So I am, yeah, this is one of the pieces. So I am all dressed up and dinner is finished. So dinner is finished. Well, hubby don't want me wearing this outside. So yeah, I just finished showered and stuff and got myself together. Where I go? And these kids are underneath. Look, underneath the thing hiding out. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, guys. It's a one-piece suit. We only have a few of these left. Yes, we have a couple of them left, I think. We have left. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I have to do a quick switch up of my outfit because me and hubby are going on road quickly. We gotta go run some quick errands. So had to switch up what I was wearing, of course. So yes, that is what is up. Oh my goodness. And it is, well, seems nice outside. Seems nice outside. Lock the door. Okay. All right. You're going back in the house? Oh, I just locked the door.
What do you lock the door for?
What do you mean I locked the door for?
You have to go to the closet?
You can't tell me that. If I let chicken. Oh, you guys, you and Ziggy have the car smelling like Popeyes. What do you mean kind of back? All the juice when you not even drink, you know, so no juice them full. Juice them full. Oh. You have to go fit up the seat. So who for papa is that there for your one where you eat? Eh? Act like you don't eat none, should have juke out your eye. Eh?
Oh, I miss you.
Make it bite me. Make it bite me, Mr. Williams.
So what could I do? I want to take a bite.
You see, you're disgusting. Eh? You really don't want to bite me?
No.
No, I'm not a body rider. So what if you want to wear a body rider? Nothing business that. Nothing business when you want to wear body rider. That needs a lift.
No, man.
Huh? A store? In the guy's store? We need to go to Walmart. To go get the chip.
What chip? Call Ziggy.
To get the chip. I told him to come to the car. Oh boy. See how nice it is. I think they're building a school there, you know, babe? You see them put down with something?
What do you put down?
Here, I think they're gonna build this lot here. I think they're gonna build a school there. Cause remember they just built a Catholic school around that other place around there. So here they'll probably just build another Catholic primary public school. I mean. What? I was wondering what the hell you were saying. That is too funny. That is hilarious. That is hilarious. Okay, so we're in the store shopping. Griff, did you pass them? There's cherries there. I don't have any. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Huh? Are these expired? 09. Yeah, they are. Yeah, I can take one.
Me take one. You want Netflix now?
Hmm?
You want Netflix now?
Yeah, because it's garbage. You put it in there. I want to get to pizza, dude. So we have made it back home. Finished running around, but unfortunately, the plans that we had today to go out, change of plans. Hubby got called into work. Hubby got called into work, so plans are changed. We're just actually about to go eat dinner now, and then he is going to go to work. So that is what is going on. So the plans that we had today for us to actually go out and head out and do some stuff, it's not going to happen, but I guess that's just life. You just kind of have to work with it. So I'm about to dish dinner now and eat, and the kids them are, well, they're washing up plate, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And Ursa's over there still away at her slushie. And she's the only one that has her slushie left from the other day, so that's what she's drinking right now. So I'm about to go dish dinner, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're not doing nothing. I'll probably just hang out. I'll do some editing and watch a movie or something and just chillax. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm just tuning in to tune out and to say I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, guys, give this video a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? this girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.